So I've been looking for a good filter and came across this one and thought I'd try it out since I really like a rain feature, and this one swivels, as you can see, back and forth and up and down really easily. It's chrome, which goes well with the inside of our shower, and thought it looked really nice, so I wanted to try it out and take a look at this pressure. It comes down so nice. I thought it was going to be really light since it's rain, but I was pleasantly surprised. And after I even took my first shower, I felt more clean, if that makes sense. I really liked it. I highly recommend it. Yeah. Ooh, that is noise. That's a noise stream. Huh? Yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. Yep.